Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unlock the Oppo A7 CPH1903. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your phone is turned off. Now, press and hold the volume down and power key together to enter recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, insert your USB cable into the phone. Next, tap on Version until you're prompted with the Download Mode option. Press OK to put your phone into download mode. Now, let's move to your computer. Open your Unlocktool and navigate to the Oppo section. In the search bar, type Oppo A7 CPH1903 and select it from the list. Under the BROM EDL section, click on EDL Factory Reset. This will start the unlocking process. All you need to do now is wait for the process to finish. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. And that's it. Your Oppo A7 CPH1903 is now unlocked. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it.